Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2017 Infiniti QX30 Luxury. This is all courtesy of Infiniti of Nashua in Nashua, New Hampshire. Now, the Infiniti QX30 is now discontinued. I think it was only around for 2 years or so. It is based on the Mercedes GLA. It was kind of a partnership between Mercedes and Infiniti, and you will really start to see that, especially in the interior. You'll look and you'll see most of the switchgear is Mercedes, and that is absolutely a compliment. That hood release is Mercedes. That, especially, once you start seeing stuff like that, you know. Looks like it's actually an Infiniti engine. I'm not sure though, so don't take my word for it. All right. Here is the original window sticker, $35,395. 2.0 turbo 4. 7-speed dual clutch, 208 horsepower, 258 pound-feet of torque. All right, let's go for a drive. I've never driven a GLA. Driven the CLA, but not a GLA, so I really can't say how close it is, but I can definitely say it feels familiar. First time ever sitting in one of these, honestly. I like them. It's kind of a shame they got rid of them, because now sorry, that sounds good. Companies are starting to go back to small SUVs like this, but nobody really bought these. They're pretty hard to come by, honestly. couple different drive modes. you have dedicated manual mode, economy, and sport. We're driving it in sport. Although once I get off the highway, I'll probably use the paddles just to try it. On the highway, it cruises very well. Doesn't feel small, it's comfortable. I like it a lot. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.